Hey guys, welcome to DelftStack, and this is how to fix Messenger group call problem. So guys, if you ever had this problem into your phone, what you could try to do is you could just simply go ahead and go through the settings into your device. Now, over here, you could just simply scroll down until you find here apps. And now here on the apps, you should be able to see all of the list of application that you have. Now, of course, you could just simply scroll down until you find over here Messenger. So go ahead and tap on it. And now from here, you could just simply go ahead and scroll down until you find over here permissions. So guys, mostly if you have a group call and you encounter some problems, it might be a permission issue. So make sure to allow the microphone over here, allow the camera as well, so you won't have any problem, and also the telephone if you prefer, and also the storage. And to make sure, just simply allow everything so you won't have any problem using the app, so the application will be seamless. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all, and see you in the next video.